I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly without gelatin powder easy method. Start by selecting pectin-rich fruit like apples or crabapples and gather sugar and lemon for acidity. Chop fruit and simmer gently to release pectin into the cooking liquid, then strain to collect clear juice for setting. Taste and adjust sugar to preserve flavor, bring juice to a rolling boil with sugar, and test for gel before canning in sterilized jars. Begin with underripe apples or crabapples since they yield more natural pectin. Gently simmer chopped fruit with minimal water for about 30 to 45 minutes until soft and fragrant. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth and let the juice drip naturally without pressing to keep it clear. Measure the juice, add sugar and lemon to balance acidity, then heat to a full boil to activate the pectin. Measure the strained juice and use a reliable sugar-juice ratio for consistent setting results. Combine juice, sugar, and lemon, then bring to a full rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Test a spoonful on a chilled plate for gel. When it reaches the right set, ladle into sterilized jars, wipe rims, seal, and process in a hot water bath to preserve safety and shelf life while keeping flavors bright and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.